Brydge Dock, originally the hinge dock before it was purchased by Brydge, is a beautifully designed and built dock using a combination of aluminium and plastic. It brings with it a unique take to laptop docking. With its stand, it allows you to dock your MacBook vertically, instantly connecting your MacBook to whatever peripherals you may have, connected via its USB-C ports. My advice is that one of those ports is connected to a monitor with power delivery. This is a clean and neat approach to laptop docking, but at the same time it brings with it drawbacks. With the laptop having to be closed, the screen, keyboard, touch bar and touch ID become inaccessible to the user. Its docking mechanism is spring-loaded for a safe docking and undocking process that makes aligning the USB-C ports on laptop with the dock seamless and safe. Unfortunately, due to the placement of the ports and the fact that I have to have my dock to the left of my desk, I'm faced with seeing the bottom of my MacBook rather than the top. Not a showstopper, but not the most aesthetically pleasing. Overall, this is an elegant and convenient take to laptop docking that won't be for everyone due to the drawbacks mentioned. It's available in multiple sizes to fit most recent MacBook Pros.